This is the bow tutorial. So I'm going to be needing an Alice band for a year old, then a piece of fabric that I already cut, and don't forget to put ST. So this is by 4 inches by 5.5 inches, 4 inches by 5.5 inches. Then my long stripe is 2 inches. So by the time I fold, the width of the Alice band is 1.5 inches. So I have to make it 2 inches. So by the time I sew, I'll have exactly 1.5 inches. So I'm going to sew this round and leave a gap to pass it out. Then I'm going to fold this into 2 and sew, then turn it out. So I'm done sewing, so I'm going to turn it out as illustrated. Then for the main bow, I'm going to turn that out also through the gap I left. Then after doing that, I'm going to insert the Alice band into that particular rope. So this is what I have after inserting. So the next thing to do is to use hot glue gun to secure the end. So you're going to fold it to make it fitted at the edge. Apply the gum at the edge neatly. Then you fold by the side. You can use a piece of fabric to hold so that it won't stain your work. Then you fold at the tip. Then you do that for the other side too. So this is what I have. This is what it looks like now. So the next thing to do is to attach the bow to the band, to the Alice band. So I'm going to fold into 2. Then in the reference picture, it's not centralized. The bow is not at the middle, it's at the side. So I'm going to use another strip of fabric to secure the bow. So I'm going to go ahead and use my needle and thread because it's going to be difficult to run on a sewing machine. So I'm going to use my needle and thread to hold that together. So you're going to sew. So make sure you secure it well so that it won't pull off. So this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly watch previous videos. Thank you. Bye.